You are in the middle of a vast and blissful plain. There are pools of water whose bottoms are covered with gold dust. The ground surface is dotted with precious trees. The surface is flat and made of lapis lazuli. Its very touch is blissful. In the sky in front of you are overlapping banks of clouds of Samantabra's offerings, together with the 8 auspicious symbols made of precious substances. In the center of the precious ground surface is a lake of milk, in which stands a wish-granting tree. This tree is made of 7 precious substances. Various magical birds sit in the trees and sing the Dharma. A precious throne stands at the center of the tree on a huge flower. This throne is supported by 8 mighty lions. Above this throne are 11 lotus bases. On the topmost lotus, a sun disk sits on the lotus's anther. A moon disk sits on the sun disk. On these sits your guru, in the appearance of Lama Tsongkhapa. His right hand in teaching Dharma gesture, his left hand in meditative absorption gesture, holding a begging bowl full of nectar. At the Tsongkhapa's heart sits Shakyamuni Buddha with marks and signs. The Buddha's face is like the shining moon, radiating golden light rays. The Buddha sits in the Vajra position. His right hand makes the earth-touching gesture. His left hand is in the meditative absorption gesture, holding a nectar-filled begging bowl. At the Shakyamuni's heart sits a blue Vajradhara. The Vajradhara wears the costume of Sambhogakaya with 13 ornaments. He holds a Vajra in the right hand and a bell in the left hand, crossed in front of the chest. At Vajradhara's heart sits a blue syllable Hum, situated on a sun disk, a moon disk, and a white 1,000 petals lotus. Light rays emit from the syllable Hum. The union of the Hum syllable, Vajradhara, and Shakyamuni Buddha at the Tsongkhapa's heart blazes forth in light rays that completely fill the space. Next, you visualize surrounding the Tsongkhapa's throne sit your Dharma teachers. On the same lotus level and on the next level down, there are 4 and 11 deities of the highest Yoga Tantra. On the next levels down, deities of the Yoga Tantra, deities of the Performance Tantra, deities of the Action Tantra, Buddhas in supreme Nirmanakaya forms, Bodhisattvas, Pratyeka Buddhas, Arhats, Dakinis, Dharma protectors. In the space behind Tsongkhapa, at the topmost, there are 5 figures, with Vajrahara in the middle. To the right of Vajradhara are Yamantakaya and Guhya Samaja, and to the left are Atisha and Haruka. From these there are 5 vertical lines of all lineage gurus going down to your own guru. Rainbow light rays come out of Shankapa's heart, go to the right, and broaden into a 3-level cloud cluster. On the top level sit the Maitreya, surrounded by Asanga, Vasubandhu, and the masters of the lineage of extensive deeds. On the second level sit the masters of the 3 Kadampa schools. On the third level sit Shankapa and the Gelugpa masters. Rainbow light rays come out of Shankapa's heart, go to the left and broaden. Upon them sit the Manjushri, surrounded by Nargajuna, Aryadeva, and the masters of the lineage of profound view. On the second level sit the masters of the Kadampas lineages. On the third level sits Shankapa and the Gelugpa masters. At this moment, in front of you is the entire refuge tree. Light rays from your guru's heart and from the whole merit field intensively emit downward to the ground where you are sitting. You fully receive the blessing from the merit field.